Here are the details in detailing. And this is a Mercedes C140 featuring a V8 naturally aspired engine that came to our shop for partial restoration and complete detailing package. The repainted condition of the car made it mandatory to manually wet sand the entire bodywork, followed by polishing with various dedicated tools in order to achieve the perfect shine. For the best possible protection, PPF has been applied on the headlights and fog lights. Beside polishing and specialized cleaning for all the interior elements, being a classic car means that chrome ornaments needed some attention using our brass Dremel accessories. Although classic cars aren't the primary line of work, our team does its best to preserve these timeless pieces of automotive history to be proudly driven by their owners, even in an era when fill it up has been replaced by plug it in. To keep in touch with our upcoming projects, follow DYC Garage channels on social media.